Princess September. Chapter Summary NCERT It So Happened, Grade 8. Presentation by Yashvi Goyal. Chapter Introduction. The lesson, Princess September, by Somerset Maugham, revolved around the youngest daughter of the King and Queen of Siam, named September. It all begins when a parrot dies and a singing bird comes in its place. Her sisters then provoke her to lock the free bird in a cage if she did not want to lose him. Once she locked the bird in the cage, he refused to eat or sing and instead became miserable. Thus, the little princess allowed the bird to be happy in its own way because she loved him so much. The bird, on the other hand, loved the princess and kept on visiting her. Chapter Summary. The king and the queen of Siam had so many daughters that they decided to name their daughters January, February, March, till they named their youngest daughter September. The king had a strange habit of giving away gifts on his birthday instead of receiving them. He thus gifted all his daughters a green parrot in a golden cage. The princesses gave the parrots an hour each day and taught them to say, "God save the king," and "Pretty Polly" in no less than 7 Oriental languages. Princess September's parrot died one day and she got very upset. She kept on crying and nothing her maid of honors did comforted her. They consulted the queen, who advised them to put her to bed without any supper. The maids of honor did it and left her alone. The princess did not stop crying and suddenly she noticed a little bird sitting on her window. The bird sang so beautifully that she jumped up to sit in her bed. It even made her forget about the parrot and she was hungry because she had missed her supper. The little bird asked the princess to let him be her pet bird. Princess September got delighted and the bird sang her to sleep that night. Next day, when the maid of honors brought her breakfast, she fed her bird rice with her hands and bathed him in a saucer. She then decided to show the bird to her family. Thus, she went above the palace and the little bird sang a different song for everyone. The king and queen were delighted on seeing the melodious bird. The queen felt it was right for her to send the princess to sleep without any supper. The king, on the other hand, felt happy on seeing the bird sing, as he was tired of listening to the parrots say "Pretty Polly" in 7 different languages. It reminded him of his counselors who would say the same thing in 7 different ways without making any sense in any of those. This made the 8 sisters unhappy. The 8 sisters put their heads together and went to see Princess September. They offered to buy her a parrot like theirs, but September refused as she was happy with her little singing bird. Then the princesses provoked Princess September to lock him in a cage when he returned, as this way she can be sure of his possession. This made September uneasy, and upon hearing that the bird almost did not come back that night, she locked the bird, telling him that her mother's cat were prowling around that night. The bird agreed only if she let him out the next morning. The next morning, September refused to let him out as she was afraid she'd lose him. The bird, on the other hand, got upset and refused to eat or sing. The 8 sisters felt that September made a wise decision by listening to them and asked her to stay firm. They told her that it was very ungrateful of the bird to not eat anything and understand her love. Princess September was not very sure about it, but she decided to wait till the next day and see if he could get used to it. The next day she received no reply from the bird. Upon seeing the bird lay on his side at the bottom of the cage, frightened Princess September, who then instantly got him out of the cage. She started crying miserably, and when a drop of her tears fell upon the bird opened his eyes. On seeing that he was no longer surrounded by bars, he told September that he can't sing in a cage and if he won't sing, he'll die. Princess September decided to let him free. The bird promised to come back. Her sisters mocked her for her decision, but the bird did come back. She left a window open day and night for the bird to come in as he pleased. This helped her grow into an extremely beautiful woman. She got married to the king of Cambodia. Her sisters, on the other hand, never left the window open at night, and thus they grow up to be ugly and undesirable. They were given away to the king's counselors with some tea and a Siamese cat. About the author. William Somerset Maugham, 25 January 1874 to 16 December 1965, was a popular British novelist, playwright, short story writer and highest paid author in the world in 1930s. Somerset Maugham graduated in 1897 from St. Thomas Medical School and qualified as a doctor, but abandoned medicine after success of his first novels and plays. During World War I, he worked as a secret agent, and in 1928, he settled in Cap Ferret in France, from where he made journeys all over the world. Maugham's spy novel Ashton, or The British Agent, is partially based on his own experiences in Secret Service. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates.